Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing between Celsius and Fahrenheit on the Zepp app for Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Zepp app and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings from the bottom of the list. Tap Units. You can now switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit at the bottom of the page. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.